Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho HR. We will begin by guiding you through the initial setup process, ensuring your organization's profile is accurately configured. You will learn to efficiently add all your employees, whether one by one or through a convenient bulk import. We will also cover how to establish clear roles and permissions, setting a solid foundation for your human resources management. This first step is crucial for a smooth and effective experience. Next, we will delve into managing your most valuable asset, your employees. Zoho HR allows you to maintain detailed profiles for every team member, keeping all essential information in one secure place. You can effortlessly track attendance, manage time off requests, and approve leave with just a few clicks. Employees can also use the self-service portal, empowering them to update their own details and submit requests, saving valuable administrative time. Now, let's explore performance and compensation. Zoho HR provides robust tools for conducting performance reviews, helping you set clear goals and foster employee growth. You can process payroll with precision, ensuring everyone is paid correctly and on time. The system also simplifies benefits administration, from health insurance to retirement plans. Furthermore, managing employee expenses and reimbursements becomes a straightforward task, streamlining your financial operations. Finally, we will look at advanced features and reporting. Zoho HR offers powerful analytics, allowing you to generate insightful reports that drive strategic decisions. You can seamlessly integrate it with other Zoho products and various third-party applications, creating a unified ecosystem. The convenient mobile application ensures you can manage HR tasks from anywhere, at any time. Plus, custom fields and modules allow you to perfectly adapt the system to your organization's evolving needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.